friends, everyone welcome to my channel. Your first time watching my channel, please like and subscribe and maximum share. Hi everyone, today I am saying about the third wonder of the world. In this video, last video I have said about the two wonders of the world. Now the third wonder of the world, Petra, Jordan. Petra is situated in Milan Governorate, Jordan. It coordinates 30 degree 1943 north, 36 degree 2631 east. Area of Petra 246 square kilometers, 102 square milliliters. Evolution 810 meter, 2065 7 feet. It was built in 5th century. In 2019, 1,13,35,300 people have come visit Jordan. Governing body in Petra Region Authority. Rikuma in Jordan is the location of Petra. Reference number is 326. The inscription of the Petra Jordan in 1985. 9th section. It is located in Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan. Thanks for watching everyone, and like and subscribe and maximum share to your friends.